to Virtualoon. I will show you now how to create a plus wall with the plus wall creator tool. Okay, we go in there. We need this menu plus wall. We want to keep that open, stay that open. So just click on this one and it will turn green. You can choose how many balloons you want to have horizontal and how many balloons you want to have vertical. This is the horizontal lines, this is the vertical lines, the fill duplets, and the cross duplets. So let's add some colors to that. We need balloons now. No, I stay with the fashion. For now, I'm going to take balloons that are different colors. It doesn't need to look good, just for you to get an impression how it will work and to see the difference between the balloons. So let's make the horizontal ones yellow, the vertical ones red. The fill duplets, you can add 11-inch or 12-inch balloons or 5-inch balloons. I prefer taking 5-inch, but it just looks better, I think. Let's take a green one in here. I don't know if you noticed, I chose that shape here and dragged it over. This is the front shape. If you look to the if you look at the balloon from the front, and this one is if you look at the balloon from the top. And this is what we need here. You can always tell which balloon shape you should add because of that icon here. It shows you. We need another color. What should we take? Take it. Let's take a pink one. Okay. Just go to Create, and Virtualoon will create your plus wall automatically. Depending on the amount of balloons you're choosing and depending on your internet connection, it might take a while. So this is your wall. Get rid of that for now. Horizontal is the yellow ones. The red ones are vertical. Cross duplets, because they're in the cross of these 4 balloons. And the fill duplet, there would be a little hole in here. So what you can do too with that tool is you can just hide these. Let's say you just want to see the lines, the horizontal lines, or just the vertical lines. Maybe with the fill duplets or with the cross duplets. This, for example, you could just export this as a PNG and give it to your helpers, and they know exactly what they have to do. They know how many of these lines they have to make, and they know exactly how many balloons are in one line. Okay, let's look at all of these balloons again. Let's say you have a plus wall, and all the balloons are in the same color. And you just want to add, I don't know, maybe a name or something on it. You can do that too. Make it a little smaller. It's way too big. create it. Again, might take some time. And here's your wall. What you can do now is manually color balloons. Just drag them over as you would color any other balloon. Again, color the balloons, the quicklings with a quick link, and color the 5-inch with a 5-inch. Okay, now you can write a letter in here. That could be a W, for example, or make a picture or whatever you need to do with your wall. What you can also do, I'm going to just create that wall again with just yellow. What you can also do is, let's see, we need some foils. Let's take some anagram super shape, ultra shapes. And just add them, put them on top of it. There's plenty of stuff you could do. Just play around, and maybe you will send us some pictures or just post them in the Virtualoon group. We're curious to see your ideas, what you can do with Virtualoon. Thanks for watching.